Your commercial property's appearance speaks volumes to your customers and clients. When the need arises for professional cleaning or emergency mitigation services, as your local SERVPRO franchise, our professionals can provide the services you need and when you need them. If you require specialty cleaning, we have the training, expertise, and equipment to provide carpet and floor care, HVAC cleaning, odor removal, and a number of other quality services, including mold remediation. You can always count on us to get the job done right the first time. When it comes to emergency property damage cleanup, such as flooding, a sewer backup, or a fire, you can call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help get your business up and running. We also provide advanced electronics and document drying and other vital emergency services. Whether you require specialty, cleaning, or emergency help, we'll respond promptly and make your property look its very best. Our goal is to always make it like it never even happened.